So this is the Pro camera, which is part of the 1020. It's actually the camera that comes up when you press the hardware key. You can configure it so you can get the Microsoft Windows camera as well, but this one is set to default on AT&T. And when you swipe the shutter key here to the left, it reveals a lot of controls that you normally haven't found on mobile phones before. So you can exposure, for example, you can overexpose it, choose to underexpose it, or you can go for shutter time, change the shutter time up to 4 seconds. And actually, if you want to learn more, we're trying to teach you more about becoming a better photographer here. So you can actually go into the tutorial here, get an idea of what it is. So for example, here you can learn about what's the shutter speed. You can even try it. We prepared a set of pictures that we did beforehand. So 1 through 8,000 will give you a pretty dark picture, and gradually what's happening when you're increasing the shutter time is that you'll get these nice light trails here up to 4 seconds. This would require a tripod then, but up to around 1 second, half a second you can do with the OIS, and helps you to be steady, to avoid a handshake. So that's a little bit about shutter time, and you can go into also try out the ISO. ISO is one of those from film sensitivity. You might have heard about it from film sensitivity. So if you have ISO 100, it's going to be a little bit dark, and then if you raise it up to 3200, you get more light, but you get a little bit of noise as well in your picture.
Now, when the Shutter Pro comes to, like, say, the 920, will the tutorial come with it?
Yes, it's part of it.
Awesome.
It's built into the Pro camera, so you can always go to the tutorial and check out and learn. And also the indicators here are really nice. So for example, if you're setting ISO to 100, you can see what shutter time this will be. It's a bit difficult to see there, but 1 through 4 is what the camera is going to use. And then when I'm raising the ISO to 1600, you're going to get 1 through 74. So you can always know what you're going to get here, and you can experiment with it and learn how the camera works. So it teaches you to become a better photographer.